Morning, YouTube. You know what time it is. Yazar. Yazar. See what we got going on today. Merc with a nice bullish bar. Looks kind of similar on all time frames, right? Has this bullshit, this bullshit, but price is clearing above. It gives me bullish energy. And on the hour, it has to have room to move up there. I thought the daily was bearish though. It is. But seems to be holding the 20. If I enter here, my stop could be at 09. I want something. This is pretty elephant-like, I would say. Just missed out on 20 cents. Didn't act. I should have just hit the buttons. This is nice on Disney as well. Clearing. Off this, off the 8 minute and the 15. Decent look for this to move up if this gets removed. I don't like the look on the 1 hour though. It's, oh shit, that looks good on Baba. Clearing. You got -1 position. By the time it was like here, should have been in, to be honest. And it just looks good on all time frames. With room to move down on the daily as well. Merc, I already missed it. I'm gonna have to look for a pullback. Shit was decent though, look. Clearing. Has room to move. I was debating whether I should enter here. But missed out, so. Baba. Hopefully I could get a pullback up into midway of this bar. Then play a color change. Oh shoot, so this is what we got right now. It tailed out, but it's pretty far away from the MA. Look, your initial entry should have been here. 2 lots, you got 1 push, 2 push. You count this as a color change, you could probably expect only 1 or 2 more pushes from here. Not the original 3. But I would have liked a better pullback into this bar. Personally. This had a bearish gap. Now it's filling it up. It could reject from this 200 right here, which would be nice. You know, a good area to short. Potentially, but yeah, it might be shorting into this 200. It's kind of technically off this whole number though. 178 if it rejects right now. Entry at 75. Stop at 10. That's a 35-cent bar. I see some bullishness on AMD now. Let's check back with Merck. It dropped. See, Square looks like kind of bullish, but the 15-minute is in the way, so like you never know. The 5-minute already a hidden color change. The potential add here. Let's see how the bar looks a little bit later. It's like a bit too early right now. Still has 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Disney. Holding the 20 potentially. CVX with the gap fill. I like that tail bar, to be honest. Oh, that shit was a bad fill. I would have liked it at 51. My stop is going to be in a dumb location because I got filled pretty poorly. But it's going to have to be at max loss. Boom, 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 boom. Nice little gap fill off these MAs. Nice tail bar. I like it off of this. You know, over the top of the 20 here as well. Let's see if we get follow through. Looks like Baba followed through. It doesn't look like it's going. For a second it did, but I don't think it's gonna go. And my stop is in a not so good location. It probably should be under the 200, but I'm in 2 lots. I could only afford 50 cents. Oh shit. Here's the apple. $68. Stop at 23. I like to look on the 5-minute. Big O bar into the Fab 4 with no follow through. Triggers this morning star type thing. I have a hidden color change up in here. off this 20. See if we get lucky here. Price is closing nice and solid here. Maybe we got lucky. Similar trade on Apple, but just to the bearish side. You got the gap fill. I didn't catch the first one, but I tried the second one over here. Got in a bit late. Honestly, I could have gotten in like here, which is what? 82. So I got in like 20 cents later, 15, 20 cents later. But it's whatever. Yeah, I like the look on that 15. When it closes, my stop is going to be above that, and I think this should follow through a lot, especially if it takes out this low at 176.50. I'm expecting some good follow through. Technically, this one, my max stop should be at 77.18. But like, you know, it's whatever. Hoping this one goes, man. I'm gonna just give it room until maybe it's up here. AMD is looking pretty bullish, but that overhead, though, that overhead 20 though, or 200. So look at tail bar takeout here. Let me see. Neutral bar, tail bar takeout. I can move my stop up to the top of this. It's gonna be tight, but I might be able to get more size on. Add on this event, move stop right under. Potentially. Let's see. 30 seconds, let's see how this thing closes. Nice look on Apple. Let's see. Could get a potential ad here. Alright, I'm gonna just do it. We reduce risk anyways by a little bit. Going under this bar. Well, never know what's gonna happen. This thing might go in my favor and we make a lot more money, because it just seemed to hold off on hold the 8, but don't know. Then we got this guy over here. Think I'm gonna just reduce risk. Because if this thing pulls up right now, it might pull up through this 8. and hold that 20, but if it does that, I'll just get back in. Like if this isn't gonna drop far enough for me to get take profit, and it wants to pull back instead, I'd rather just get out and wait for it to pull back to the 20 and then reposition myself. Yeah, hopefully this keeps holding that 8, bro. Hopefully. Yeah, MAs are looking parallel right now, so if it could start a grind, that would be pretty damn nice. Gang, I think it just followed through a little bit. Cleared above this for a second. It's tailing out kind of hard. I don't like that. We're going to trail under this bar right here. And if it takes this out, it's probably going to break the 8 and I'll just get out. I don't know why this thing tailed so hard. I guess it's struggling here at the whole number. But really where I want to take profits is above this. I want it to make a new high. So this thing just trailed me out here on the break right here. Couldn't hold the 8. So we have a small loss on that. Just hoping for better follow through, man. Like all along it was just right on this 8, up on this 8. You know, triggered that tail bar, add little tail bar here, also triggered. Seems like right into the number, it's being rejected pretty hard. Not getting the follow through I want. And it's failing. This is going to do the same thing on Apple too. It's going to break the 8. Well, not, bro, I don't even know if that was enough. I mean, I was up like 200-ish, but just visually on the charts, was that enough? 3 pushes. Okay, look, my entry's like around here. 68, right? Okay. 1 push. 2. That's not 3 pushes, man. Alright. I'm out on the break of that. 8 a man. Just not getting the follow through I needed, man. Just kind of sad because I was up maybe 230-ish today. Only able to lock in 19, so am I doing something wrong? I mean, looks at this point looks like I got out at the right place. I mean, but right place on the defensive side. Oh shit, AMD's triggering. Nice bullish look on the 5. It's right into this overhead 200 though. It's already triggered. If I enter now, I'm 15 cents late. Wow. But we got no follow through to the downside. CVX is just getting messy right now. If it followed through, it would have been decently clean, but not anymore. Merc. Merc triggered here for the first time. Didn't quite get anywhere. Will it trigger again? Let's try it. 47, we'll have our stop under this bar. 27 cent or 20 cent stop. Triggered here over the top with an alternate stop under this one, right off the rising 20. $0.20 stop, 5 lots. See if this thing runs. 3 seconds. Decent close to it. Now we gotta wait for this to get taken out. This level right here, ideally. Here's the look on Apple. Had that big surging bar up out of nowhere for whatever reason. Put in this red bar reversal. This 20 MA looks pretty smooth actually. So yeah, I would say another short triggered here. So my short here didn't get much follow through. This one pulled back, pretty violent bar. Guess it got no follow through. Red bar reversal. And triggered under. Event stop right at the rising 20. Let's see, CVX just dropped through. Merc still not getting followed through. It's right up on this 2-minute rising 20 and right up on this 5-minute rising 8. 15 minutes like above everything. It should have room to move up. Same with the 1 hour. Oh yeah, but the problem is the daily. Daily's right up into that 20. Can I really expect it to follow through? Shit. Price, man, it's looking a bit weird. Again, this might trigger, but it's right into this 200. Shit, Apple would have failed right there. Merc, oh fuck. I was gonna take partial off there on the break of the 20 right here. And he just busted through. Fuck it, I'm gonna just let it take me out. At my stop. Took me out there. I guess that's one of the better stop outs. Gave me a bit of a better fill. Vicious. Price today is funky. See if I could spot anything clean on the higher time frames. You know what, JPM is actually pretty bearish. Just price itself. Like the MAs you can't really see, but nice bear 180 once it got below. Again here. This one was really small risk right here. Quick move and it's already 1-to-1. Like into this 200, it's already 1-to-1. That's if you entered already though. Entry is here, price is here. You can't enter now, it's too late. I had Apple bearish, but I don't know. I got JPM dropping. This 200 shouldn't be. Flat 200 is king, but just like looking at the price action, I think JPM's gonna drop. AMD on the other hand he's looking higher in my opinion. I wanted to try a long here, the super tight stop. You know, it pops up real quick. It's a good look, but it's right into this 200. Looks like it might have worked though. Look, enter on this color change right here. Stop right under. Into 106.50, you already get 1-to-1. Would have been a decent look. Entry at 25, stop at the whole number. 4 or 5 lots right there. Already got 1-to-1. Shit, looks like it's going. No, because like overall, this thing is still bearish, even with all the MAs in the way and shit. Look at this, just straight green up. Yeah, you know, decent little retracement, gets a bit sloppy, but it's finally clearing here. This one never failed, by the way, this trade right here. I'm saying you could have entered here on this second color change. And then have your stop here. It's already 2-to-1. That's already 2-to-1. Could break even on that. And then when this bar closes right here, it's gonna look like it's surging off that 200. Really good look. Too late now, man. Entry was supposed to be at 25. This shit already got 85. I got 60 cents. 4 or 5 lots on that, man. That's already 300 bucks. Shit. And now it's clearing that 200. Probably expect us to head up to this 200 now. At least a new high. 107. No, past 107. And this is a good look on the trend's reversed. You know, it was going down. On the daily now it's popping up. Yeah, it's kind of bullish now. Guess we could wait for a pullback on the 2-minute. Shit, man. Fucking sucks to miss out. Disney off the 5 potentially. I said we just focus on AMD. It's getting nice momentum now. Shit was nice, man. Would I say it actually ever broke? I don't know. All of these are funky. Color change, color change. I don't think so. Yeah, look at this though. Stop at enter at 26, 25-ish. 25, 26. Stop at 05. 20 cent stop, 5 lots. 1, 2, 3. Look at that risk to reward back into the old high. Strong ass rejection off this 107, but I think AMD is looking higher for the day, man. Oh shit, that's pretty strong though. It takes out this bar, that's pretty crazy. Double top, right off the whole number. Here's a look on Meta. You know, whole down day the other day. Opens up. I mean, shit, you got a little evening star right here, right off this 200. Little test right here. Yeah, this should look like it had room to move up. On Meta. This looks pretty clean off the 1 minute on Meta. Okay though. This already tested the 8. This one, what is that? 40 cent bar. Should already gave you 1-to-1 right there. $0.40 bar. Yeah. Looks good. It aligns with the 15 right here. Red bar, you don't do anything. Neutral bar, this bar. Over the top, should probably look for longs. But, fucking, like, how much did this move in one day, bro? Jeez. October 13th. $2? You sure $2? What the hell? October 13th, 318. It's 325. Oh shit. There goes AMD. Might be triggering again. Meta. Might add Meta to my list for this super expensive stock. I could afford it, man. Like, this bar's a 60 bar. I could just go one lot on that. And I just took a look at the 1 minute. Like, this shit, I could trade this, bro. Look at this off the 8 MA. Shit got an easy 2-3 to 1. Look at this off the 1 minute. Right here. Easy 1-to-1 in 1 minute right there. And you trail under the big bar. I mean, at that point, might as well go to break even, don't lose money. I mean, yeah, you're chilling. Look at it go now. This right here is a 2-lotter. You're in at 318.40. This shit's already up a buck. You got 2 to 1 already. Yeah. I'm telling you, man, this shit's gonna go up for the rest of the day. Look at this. Right off the 200, man. After a down day, and it just cleared, it's gonna go up. Yeah, that shit's nice. I need something with a good look on the Fed scene. Price is getting stuck between this. I'm telling you, Meta 15 looks good as hell. So AMD finally cleared up, right? Oh yeah. The double top we said. 8 is catching up. Thinking this could potentially clear off the 8. Disney getting decent follow through. Oh shit. Remember that look we were seeing on S-Bucks? It never triggered. But this probably triggered on the 3. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Wow. 16-cent bar. Sheesh, man. 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1. And this is just straight green. Bar by bar, not even broken yet. Beautiful. I'm gonna try to get an entry on the Meta long. This 15-minute just looks too good, and it just got it started. Cause look, when Meta actually trends, bro, this thing trends, right? And this is what it did for today, this morning, bro. This ain't shit yet. If this thing decides to trend for the rest of the day, this thing could maybe go back to 325. $5 move. So if I could catch it somewhere on the smaller time frames, yeah, I'll be good to go. I mean, the entry should have been here already. Shit would have been profitable. You hold a break even stop, you can't even lose money at this point. S-Bucks, man, that shit going nuts. Oh yeah, S-Bucks has a good look too, though. Neutral bar, normal bar, but then look at that. Tail bar, wow. Tail bar right off that 200. Boom, big bar clears. 1 hour with hella room to move. 5 minute, 2 minute, blue skies. Yeah, this shit looks really good now. In here, like 7 lots or some shit. Stop here. Get your little bar at 3. Just move your stop to max. Count your money. Merc. Didn't we just try a merc long, or am I tripping? Oh yeah, we did. Drop down to this 20 right here. Still looks like it'll go bullish for the day on the 15. Is broken here, or 8. See if we could get a nice look here. It is pretty far away from the 20, not gonna lie. But I wouldn't want it to pull back and collapse down to this level. I'd want it to chill out and let this come up. Look at Friday on this thing, bro. Shit. Some clean moves off the 8. Up 20. Wow. This one's off the 20. I'm waiting for it to pull back on the 5. This shit's triggering technically right here. Wow. See, AMD played out perfectly how we wanted it to. Right here. Stop here. You got your new high. Pretty much right into that 200. It's right there. It's in that zone. Sheesh. Just looking for a pullback on Meta. Hopefully we get something clean. Maybe off this 5-minute right here. Bar by bar, didn't break into here, I think. This one. So I think the pullback is inbound. We'll wait and see if we could get anything. See, that's the thing. AMD we should have caught already earlier, because even though it might trigger on this 2-minute now, the risk to reward into this 5-minute probably won't be too good. But Meta, we get along, it's gonna look good on all time frames, because this might trigger at like 319 something, and this shit has into 322. That's a lot of room. Oh shit. Big drop on JPM. Merc. Bro, I swear we tried to go long on this motherfucker. Shit just triggered without us. On the 5-minute, nice little tail off the top of the Fab 4. Off this rising 20. Shit. We tried it right here on the 2. Enough to take us out. Like right here, I guess. But really it set up on the 5 right here. On the 3. A bit messy, but it's set up. to say the least. Yeah, that shit went. I mean, it's pretty nice. Waiting for this on Meta, bro. Hopefully we get something clean. I don't know if it's gonna set up off this 2 or off this 5. But if it sets up off the 2, it's probably gonna be off the 5-minute 8. It's right there right now. Right at this 2-minute 200 and right at that 5-minute 8. So here we go off this 2-minute 20 and 5-minute 8. It's probably gonna be a 2-lotter right here. If it triggers, hasn't triggered quite yet. Yeah, it hasn't triggered yet. It will be a 2-lotter though. Chill out, Bart. Chill out. The 3-minute look isn't that nice. 2-minute, I like the rising 20. But this bar is getting kind of big, man. Like, chill out. This next one triggers, it'll be perfect. Perfect 2-lot add. Man, the spread on this shit is kind of big. 5s. Okay, maybe it was bigger before. It was like 10 cents. Let's see, man. What trigger? What trigger? Here we go. Hopefully I get a green bar reversal. Come on. Show me some hope in this long. Here we go, 30 seconds left. $58 plus 33 is what? 58 plus 33. If I could get filled at 91, I could get 3 lots on this. 91. I don't like the look of that. Come on. This one triggers at 85, 86. But it's dropping lower. GG. GG. Looks like we'll find an ad here then. Off 318. Off 318 when the 20 catches up here. What the fuck? And the 1 minute already turned into a downtrend? That's why the 1 minute is trippy, bro. Shit. Mark actually went, bro. Shit, AMD's right there. Has yet to trigger. It's a 10, 11 cent bar. I mean, a bar like this has good risk reward into the thing, so 96 minus 83, 13 cents. 7 lots. 7 lots at 96. Let's just try it. Super tight risk. It's gonna fail right away, or we're gonna make a lot of money back into this 200. It triggered though. So I entered over the top here at 96. Nice fill, didn't really get slipped. My stop is right under the low, 1 cent by 1 cent. So it's at 83. Now we just gotta see if this shit works or not. Shit, it's not looking good. Definitely triggered though. Like, I'm not taking bullshit trades. I'm properly position sized. It was a nice pullback into the rising 20. Triggered over the top, and my stop's underneath. It's just not following through. But the risk to reward into this old high was pretty decent because this is so tiny. Like, it's almost like 2.5 to 1 back into there. Even into this 200, it's like 3 to 1. So it's not even a bad risk to reward, to be honest. Oh fuck. So we were looking at Meta, right? Had a similar move to AMD. Pullback, then triggered, then triggered, then triggered, then triggered, then trigger. Right here was the bar I was looking to enter 3 lots on. Next one kind of dropped lower. But it was a 29 cent bar. I guess you could have put 3 lots on that. Shit went, bro. I mean, fucking the trade idea was right, you know. It just didn't trigger as clean as I wanted it to. But fuck, shit's already 1 to 1, probably over 1 to 1. And like we did say, if it triggers off this 20, it's gonna be off the 5-minute 8. That's exactly what it is. And a new high is over 320, but I see this thing moving up to this 200. This shit just failed. Well, GG. Thing didn't want to continue. Took it off here, 7. Stop. Failed. What could I say about that? I don't know. Baba. This one's nice on Baba. This little guy. 10 cent bar on Baba. 9-10 lots on that. Shit, there's the Disney ad right there. Bitch ass Merc 2 right here. Shit went up. Just not when we wanted it. Let's go up. Off the 5. Off the 15. S-Books also triggered. Oh fuck. Still might trigger, man. Has to pull back though. So the 2 minute is uptrend's broken, but if you're looking at the higher time frame, the look is still solid on this. Could pull back, bounce off this 200, which will align with this 5 minute 20. So stalking a little bounce off that one. See if we get it. CVX is just not trending, man. Meta, same idea as AMD. 2 minute getting messy, but 5 and 15 are still in alignment. Merc, man. This thing, if it pulls back on the 5, the first time prior to this move was off the 20, so probably gonna expect it to bounce off the 5 minute 20. S-Bucks, yo, that shit just going crazy. Square the 200 is right there, so no can do. This one's kind of large. Oh, looked like it was about to trigger here. 86 minus 56. That's a 30-cent bar. 3 lots. Maybe a bit tighter. I like it more. You know, right up on that 20. Right up on it. But if it triggers, man. Give myself one more trade maybe. And if it loses, then I'm done. Meta, you have a potential green bar reversal here. AMD triggers at 86. 3 lots. Decent risk to reward. That's at least 2 to 1 into that 200. So I'm not really scared. You feel me? Here, That's 1 to 1. That's at least 2 to 1 for sure. Getting ready to put on 3 lots here. It already took out the body. There we go. I saw 86. And I got filled at 86 too. Let's just try it. It's 5-bar pullback to the 20. At least 2 to 1 into that 200. Bouncing off this 200. Stop is under at 55. Let's have this thing run. Oh, and we got meta probably trigger 2 then. Yeah. That bar is too fucking massive for me to enter on. 317.96, 318.96, 319.32. Bro, this bar is like $1, almost 40 cents. But it's a similar look to AMD. Both coming back to retest this area and this 5-minute 200. Yeah, that's pretty nice. That's a whole ass 180 right there. Good location with I would say almost 2 to 1 into that 200. So you're chilling, and the 15-minute has a lot of room. Shouldn't be an issue. But this bar, yeah, that's way too expensive. The low 317.96. The latest I could enter for a $100 risk unit is 318.96, and the highest already is 319.32. It's too much. Yeah, that's why I was hoping for a tiny little green bar reversal right here. I could add off of that. This one just, had followed through. I don't know why it's not following through now. But the lower time frame. Lower time frame isn't in alignment. But I didn't think that was going to be an issue. I had a quick 1 to 1 on that. But I guess the 2-minute actually has power over the 5 here. Merc, man, this shit actually going up now without this. We did try to enter at 47, remember? And in like 20 cents, this shit is about to be up $1. Yo, fuck, what the hell? That's nuts on Merc, bro. Fuck, AMD's deadass failing. Maybe this location is not the best to stop out either. It's right there. My stop price should be like here. Which makes the risk to reward terrible, but it's nuts. CVX, just a big old range, but seems to be getting bullish momentum now. This takes this, if this green bar takes out this red, then we'll probably be good, but if it doesn't, then I think it'll be a stop out. With a bit of luck on our side, this might actually go up. Maybe. Potentially put in another color change right here. It's pretty lucky. Here's Meta putting in another color change. Let's add a position on Meta on that color change. Entry at 45. We'll have our stop at 1845. Or right there. It's fine. Looking to trade both of AMD and Meta back into this 200 right here. If the next bar right here, if this bar closes strong, the next bar starts trading higher, I'll move my stop to break even, reduce risk on this trade. Because I have $200 of risk right now, which could, if I lose on everything, I could lose 366. I mean, I want to give this some space to move, but if this trades over 22 right now, then I'll look to just move my stop to break even. Let it do its thing. You know, honestly, I could move probably under this green bar at least. At the minimum, because you just shouldn't get wiped out, you know. But I want to at least see some confirmation of price trading higher, hopefully. So 22 is the number. So price is stalling out, it's not following through. At this point, I think I will reduce risk. Go under this green bar. Save 20 bucks a lot. Because shit just shouldn't be wiped out. It should go on the 15, bro. This looks really good to go on the 15, man. But this hasn't gone yet. Here goes Meta. Like I said, I probably want to see 22. That'd be the best. Where is my break even here? It's pretty close. It's a bit too tight for my liking. Under the green bar is fine for me, but really I want to see price trading over these highs, man. Because if it does, look, this is the first leg it put in, right? It's essentially putting in a pause right now. So think what it could do here. Put in an identical leg. Could probably pop this thing up to 109. You know? $15-minute bar is about to close. It's time to go. Come on. I was thinking of adding right there, but then I realized my average price is not even, it hasn't really extended far away from that yet. Actually, this is only a 20-cent bar. I could have put another lot on this. But then my stop would have to go under this bar. Right here. Why is it rejecting so hard for? It just triggered. Maybe I could actually add for real. 15. It comes back to 15. That adds like 25 bucks of risk. Maybe. This thing should go, bro. It just triggered. On the 15. I'm not seeing quite the extension that I want to see. Because the 8 is right there. This bar, after 3 bars, I would have thought this one would have been the expansion bar. Meta, I can't do anything about. Just gotta let it sit there. It's not following through. We'll see. Maybe I should chill out and let it do its thing. I don't want to stop out right when that 15 minutes setting up. So I backed off. I moved my stop back to the original pivot. Shit. The 15 minute just looks like it's loading up. It hasn't violated anything yet. So I don't want to be too tight for no reason and get mad at myself when it doesn't work, or when it does work and it goes without me. I don't even have any rights to really move my stop yet. Because new high, I didn't get a new high yet. Shit, we're real lucky if this shit holds right here on meta. Shit was literally a cent away from stopping us out. I don't know, man. The 15 just looks good. Boom. Looks like it's loading up. Maybe I'm wrong, but still. It's like I might be trading out of fear just because of this. Pull back halfway, triggered here. You know, it hasn't followed through like how I wanted it yet. But break even would have stopped out right there. But the 15 is still intact. $85 minus 56, 30 cents. It's fine. If I lose on both, I lose 200. That's how it works. Don't want to trade emotionally. Out of fear, like, oh, it's not going to work. Hasn't even given me rights to move the stop, so. Boom or bust. Well, if price trades over this, it's actually triggering again. Uh, 32. Did we get 32? Yeah, it might trigger again. This one might trigger again as well. Could get an ad up in there. Maybe 2 lots. Add 2 lots there. 20 cent stop. 71. Under these bars. Just move it under there. 77. So I just got an ad there. Now 107.01 on this. Move my stop up under because it triggered again off that 5-minute 20. And I'm thinking this could get some nice extension on the 15-minute 200 now, or 15-minute time frame. So just waiting for that. Meta, yo, we got lucky as hell because this shit is triggering. It triggered again here. Didn't get an ad because our stop would have to be in the same place. Because if I add it here, stop is still here. Not reducing risk, so it's not smart. Waiting for a new high above this. If I get a new high, hopefully it breaks that 320. If it can, then I'll look to break even on this trade. Wait, is this shit already break even? Oh wait, no. It's still $100 in risk. So now we wait. And look at that 15. It looks good to go now, right? So hopefully we get an expansion bar, real big bar that clears all of this. Then I'll just move the stop right under the 15-minute low. That'd be most ideal. However, if this thing fails right here off 320, that might be not good, man. But the 15 looks so good to go right now, though. So let's just wait a bit. So according to my plan, I don't move shit until I get price above here. So I guess we'll take I guess we'll take an L here if it fails. Same with Meta. Fuck, man. Need it over that before I move my stop. So the max I could lose today is 350 or something like that. 340. These trades work out though, it's not gonna be that. Fuck, man, they just triggered and now they're fucking going flat. Gave me a bit of hope and now it's fucking, no, it's not working. Give it faith though, because the 15-minute on them look real good. Okay, getting some follow through here. Still nothing crazy, but new high, break even. Meta, honestly, Meta it's different because look at this shit. Here, stop here. If I could get at least 1-to-1, I'll move my stop for Meta, because Meta is different. It kind of flat, you know. Can't really judge the new high. Ah shit, just falling back. If this breaks the 20, I'll be out on the break of the 20. Hopefully it holds though, because I can make a lot of money. I could trail under this big bar. Basically a little bit under that whole number, 319. Shouldn't be able to break. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Reduce risk a little. This one I might be able to move my stop to break even already. 20's trading over it. I don't know why price is dropping mad hard. Maybe 80. 50 buck risk. It could still hold here. Chill out a little bit. triggers here, then I move my stop. Don't want to stop out right there. This one has the whole number there though on Meta, which is why. This one has a whole number there too, 107. Shouldn't be able to break, man. Alright, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Should bounce off this whole number. Might trail out here. This stop might be a bit too tight. I don't know. Just trailed out of AMD. Break even trade. Meta might take a loss here. Price was just going flat. It wasn't even following through anymore. Or maybe that's what I tell myself. Because if this thing triggers again, oh man, that's gonna be bad. Because my stop was supposed to be here under this pivot. L's, man. L's all around today. Man. Is this shit for real holding? What did I trail out at? 9? I think I lost $5, bro. $6. Lost $6 on that guy. What was my stop at? I'm taking it now, man. It's not holding. Meta looks okay. Or Meta looks better. The angle on this MA looks better. And same with this on the 20. AMD did get a bit messy, but probably stopped out too early, man. Shit might go without me. Still sitting there. I probably should have been out here, to be honest, at 79. 5 lots average 106.91. Event stop at on the ad at 106.77. Should have been here. Should have been here. Or the break of the 20, whichever happens earlier. And I'm already out at break even. Break even, a little $6 loss. This one's probably going to trail out right now. Yep. Let's see. Just wait like 5-10 more minutes, see what actually happens. Could still potentially hold this 5 minute. And I'll never know. Maybe I got out too early. Move my stop too tight. For this one, my stop should have still been here, which is didn't trail out yet. But I moved my stop up, so I trailed out. AMD, my stop should have been here, but I moved my stop up, so I trailed out, taking like a $60 loss. Let's see, 10 more minutes. Let's take a look at that, man. I may have trailed out for no reason. Oh, fuck. It's gonna go up without me. Fuck. When will I learn, man? When will I learn? If I want to move my stop up, I have to wait for an event. I get my event there. Then I move to break even. Actually, when the fuck did this even take me out, bro? I got taken out by the spread. 94. Because my stop was at 90, 91. This hit 94. This one hit 94. This one hit 92. This one hit 93. It didn't even actually hit 91. Had my stop there. The spread took me out. This shit's gonna go on the 15, bro. See, after this, then I can move my stop to break even. And I still have the chance to be in this trade, whether it works out or not. Same with this shit. Dude, I entered here, stop here. Hasn't done shit for me to move my thing. It needs to get above here. Which it'll probably do now that I'm out. Oh, man, I hate that. Now it's actually going to trigger right here. And I was loaded, man. I was loaded. I want to trail so fucking tight. Is what I fucking get. This shit's going to bust up. Just have to be patient. No fucking patience. That's what I get. Shit's about to bust up any second though. Look at Meta, man. 320. I would have had 50 cents on that. 60 cents. Come back and update y'all. What happens? I fucked up. Oh man, this just looks so good on that 15. It's about to bust through that shit, bro. Based out, rising 20. Bottled up pressure squeeze. Then after I can move my stop. Fucking moved it too early, man. That was our chance for redemption, but here, guess we could have entered again, but oh fuck. Let me see, AMD, that's a different story. This shit's actually busting down now. See if it breaks below. But the one on Meta looks cleaner. Look, this 20 you could see it, or this 8 you could see it getting violated. But Meta, there's nothing wrong with Meta. Anyways, like I said, this would have been a break-even trade on AMD regardless. Because, you know, we had it here, moved it here, moved it here. Then again, I had this tailboard takeout right here. You move it right there. He stops out. Okay, that's break even. But on Meta, here, right, sitting here, enter here, your stops here. Then you move it here, under here. So you're reducing risk at best, but it hasn't done anything yet to break even. But it is about to. Look at it. Look at the look, man. Isn't that pretty? It's different from AMD. This one's smoothly rising. About to bust up. AMD, shit gone flat, and I'm about to break this 20 once it prints 80. Or maybe I already did print 80. No, Disney on the 5 looks decent. Oh shit, Disney on the 15. Looks hella good actually. In fact, I might try that. $96 with a stop at 83. 13 times 8. Is that over risk? A little bit. $3. Trading this one off the 15 right here. Didn't trigger. Triggers here. 96. Look at the risk on this one right here. 6-cent bar. And at 91, stop at 83. So 8-cent risk really. $80 risk, 10 lots. Has a nice look. Just needs to extend away now. But I'm taking this one off the 15. So held the 8 before, right here. Tail bar off the 8. And it just triggered off the 8 again. So here's the look on Meta, bro. It keeps rejecting this area. The 320 whole number. Keeps rejecting that area, but it also keeps holding this 20. So it got this wedge forming. So we'll see in a couple minutes or however long what will happen. But since the 20 is rising and this 8 is rising, I think it could bust up. AMD definitely broke by now. Mark held again. And now we wait on Disney for the new high. See if we could get it. Getting the bar that we all wanted here. This could close nice and strong. That'd be great. That is a big bar, man. Look at all these little tiny ass bars right here. In the last, like, what is that? Last hour, bro. This bar right here was an 11:10 bar. This bar is a 12:10 bar. It's been an hour. Finally get a nice sudden surge. So once this bar closes and the next one goes higher, I'm gonna just move my stop under, locking a free trade. I'm locking that whole number. Alright. What do we have here? Closed at 17. Did price get 18? It did. A big bar like that shouldn't get wiped out. And it's surging off that whole number, so I could lock in 85, but I'm just locking my break even. 84.96. Maybe 97. You know what? I'll actually go right under this big bar. 84.98. So that's locking in 2 cents. 16 bucks. Meta over here. It's the same situation. It's rejecting off that 320. This line we got here. 20 is turning a bit flat. AMD, anything happen on AMD? It actually came back up, retested it. This might be a 20 MA halt to fall, but it's going into this. Alright, now we wait for this to give us new highs to take profit. I just walked away, went to eat a little something. Looks like there was an ad here on the 5. Got a little RBI. Could have added over the top there. And about to get new highs here. Here's what a $50 stock or $80 stock, so I'm looking for 50 cents. Just throw a profit take up at 50. See if we could hit. Take like 5 lots off there. Maybe 6. And yeah, we'll be back. Let's see what this looks like on the 2. Might be respecting the 8. Yeah, it looks like it's respecting the 8. I could lock in 84.10 or 85.10 under this, which is what? 14 cents, 8 lots. 112 bucks. Do I want to do that though? Or is that going to be too tight? It's going to be under this GBI. Maybe if the next one on the 2-minute color changes again, then I'll know for sure that it's probably respecting the 8, because I did it here for the first time, did it here for the second time, should be able to do it here for a third time. But if that bar just grows, then I don't know what to believe. Hasn't gotten a new high yet, man. Normally I'm not even supposed to move to break even until I have a new high, but I'm trailing under this big bar. So giving it space to do its shit, bro. CVX looks like it might basing out here. It just triggered actually. These are a bit too far away, but this right here, this color change. Let me see. Yeah, this guy trigger not 55. This got 59. That triggered. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Fuck, man, I don't know what to do. I don't want to tighten it yet. Let's see. $60. How can I lock in $60 on 8 cents or 8 lots? I have to lock in 8 cents. 104.04. Haven't got a new high, man. If it trades over this, then sure. Let me see if I get 20 right now. So check this shit out. It's about to trigger off the 3 minute. In fact, I might add. Just get an ad. If it prints 20, I just get 2 more lots on. Oh, did that shit just print 20? Might have. Let me see it again. No? Here we go. Oh, it's not letting me buy. Be back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if it lets me in it. No. It's not letting me add right now, so I don't know why. But probably locking 85.04 right now. That's locking in, what, 8 cents, I think? Yeah. Alright. Let it do its thing. I want to see price trading over this high right here. So move it to the pivot. If I can see price trading over this high, and this high. Who might stop right under here? 84.10 or 85.10. It's lunchtime though. Price hasn't progressed, bro. My luck, it might just lock in 85.10. Might have to. Or is that too tight? Maybe I'll leave 2 lots. Or maybe half of the position. Guess that's fine. What we got here, tail bar that just triggered, hit 27. I want it clearing 27. It has to clear this and this and this. I need a big bar, not just that. But anyways, I think now I'll move my full position to 85.10. Feel like I could tighten it up to here, even 85.14, 15. But we'll see. Like under this one. Do want to tighten my stop to 85.15 under this little guy, as well as this little guy. But I really want to see 85.28 being printed first. You know, clearing these highs. Technically, this little guy triggered here, 25. Yeah. Oh, did it just print 28? I mean, it just printed 28, but like, it ain't go nowhere. So what do I have now? 30 cents. 96. It's at 26. I'll lock in 15. Looks like Meta is pushing up higher. Barely, but you know, sideways up. AMD sideways. Merc. Oh, this one did trigger. Went a bit. This 20 is coming through though. Should I stop out there? Oh, that's dumb. Guess I'm out on the break of the 15-minute bar by bar. Is what that really is. Bar by bar just broke right there. That old high failed, breaking that 8N22. Show. It's freaking 10. I don't ever trade this long, bro. I'm out of here. Let's see, entered here, right? Boom, 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 boom. Was expecting a new high, didn't quite get a new high. Basically trailed bar by bar, or in the end, I trailed out bar by bar because this broke at 85.15, and I filled at 85.15. Alright, guess we take a small L today. Nothing crazy. It's okay. Alrighty, we'll be back tomorrow morning for review. There's hella trades. 2, 4, 6, 7 trades to go over. See if anything's popping. Apple 3-minute is, or 3 minutes going down. AMD sideways. Baba slowly grinding up. CVX sideways. Disney going up, but I guess the better entry would have been here. Would have made a lot more. So just waiting for a new high to take some profits. Trailing bar by bar in case it wasn't going to be able to, and It might still go up. Might hold this right here. But overall, it's over. JPM flat, Merc flat, S-Books flat, Square up, but kind of flat. UL flat. Alright, we done. No open orders. Nothing is open here. About a 1 hour loss today. Thank you guys.